Hello Andy, this is Dan. I am currently using the R800 camera, but I'm not using the microphone circuits in the camera due to excessive delay when we use that. It's impossible to talk if you're also monitoring the headset. So what I have is the Polson OM20, which is a dual microphone. I have it in the normal lavalier position attached to my shirt, and I am monitoring the audio on the Odyssey just by looking at the meters, but I have previously had monitored it with headsets. I am looking at the monitor, the audio level meters on the OBS system, and it's going over about a third to maybe a half of the way, but I have the gain up all the way. The audio gain on the mic for the Odyssey is set to plus 18, and I have the headphone gain set to 0. So I think that this audio is good. Would you like to send me a text? Andy, are you there? Andy, would you like to call me? So testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 test 1 2 check 1 2 check check 1 2 check check 1 2 check. I am using two lavalier microphones. They're together, but they can be split apart. They have up to 20 feet of split on this one cable, but it can be separated. So I am using OBS. I'm using 64% of the CPU. The kilobits per second streaming is around 4,000. Right now it's 3984. It's going to go up to 4,049, and sometimes it goes up to 44, 45. Zero drop frames. I've been live for 2 minutes and 49 seconds. So I think this is working, but I haven't had any feedback from you. I'm going quiet. Okay, have you just started talking? Do you hear? I mean, do you hear my audio now? How about now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, well, I had stopped. I've been transmitting for or talking for 3 minutes, and I decided to stop because I couldn't tell whether you were there or not. Okay, I am just in a completely normal position. The microphone is just hanging down, and there I hear you calling in. So just a minute, let me get my earpiece. Hi, how are you? Okay, I assume it sounds normal. Okay, so hold on. I'm going to put the phone down, but I'm going to speak real loud into this. Okay, ready? This is a very loud test. This is loud. I am speaking closely into the mic. I have my head pointed down to the mics, and I am talking pretty loud. So what did you hear? Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm going to be watching the volume level meters on the Odyssey as I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 were clipping at this end. 1 and 3 went to red on the volume level meters. So let me do that again. 1, 2, 3. Did you hear clipping on 1 and 3? Okay, well, now I can increase the level on the. I'm going to increase the level up to 30 right now. So now, testing 1, 2, 3. What do you think, Andy?
It's good that I'm definitely picking up more noise. Cranked up the mic, but I'm not hearing that pop like what we're hearing at the gate.
Yeah, okay, now I'm going to take the audio all the way up to plus 44. And I'm going to talk in a normal voice, but I am definitely pegging the VU meters. Now, this is a very loud voice. Very, very loud. No clipping?
No flipping. I mean, no flipping. We're picking up static.
Well, I've got a refrigerator running. Okay, I'm going to put the my gain to plus 18, which seemed to work pretty good for me. Um, Now, the audio level meters, as I'm talking, go up, and let me just set these things right so I can read the values. The audio level going up to minus 10, 12, something like that, maybe minus 14. So I could actually increase it. But I think we can adjust that, when we're at the location to see how much noise we want to pick up and versus how much voice that I want to have. So when I'm quiet, I'm just picking up my refrigerator, which is running next to me. I'm in the kitchen. Okay, but this is sounding good, right?
Yeah, no, it sounds good. Yeah, it sounds good. If anything, I think it sounds better than the Sony ones that we had previously.
Okay.
Because the Sony wireless
Okay.
sounds better than that.
Now, the advantage of this particular microphone is that it can plug directly into the Apollo. On this particular camera, the R800, I cannot plug it into the camera and then also talk and monitor at the same time. If I do, because of the delay, I just cannot talk normally. The feedback interferes with your mind, so it prevents you from talking.
Sure. Yeah, there's like a 2 or 3 second delay.
Well,
I hear like a 3 second echo of you.
well, yeah, I understand, but if I plug it into the camera, I can't even count 1 to 10. It slows me down because of the feedback. Now, I do understand the 1 to 2 second delay because you're listening to me on the phone and listening to me over YouTube. Okay, now, I like this microphone because, number one, it's battery operated so that we can use it with the Odyssey, because I think the Odyssey has better audio circuits than the camera does. Yeah, and I like this because it has 2 microphones in one, and when a microphone fails, the other one will take over. So you never know what type of abuse, and this comes with little tiny windscreens, foam windscreens. But that may not be very effective, but there are much better things that you can actually buy, little furry things. So I assume we're good to go.
Yeah, no, I think the HDMI version is fine. That was probably the more ideal one, to use till we get this, till we actually have like a working product, whenever it is.
Yeah.
September.
Now, the next thing that I found that surprised me is when I brought up OBS, I had to go back in and I went to sources and then I right clicked on the audio input capture, went to properties, and then I had to select the digital audio interface from the Eno Genie again. And I really don't know how to save a profile. Maybe I can figure that out. And maybe I can't do that when I'm streaming. But I definitely want to save my profile. Okay. We done? Okay. Now the next thing is I've sent you and Mike and Matt and Tommy pictures of the setup. Okay?
Now the AVIO, the AVIO, correct? The HDMI to USB.
I thought it's an Inogenie. The label has been taken off of the thing, so I don't know what it is.
Oh, that's right.
So it's a silver one, and it's got the special USB. The unusual one that.
Yeah, no, it was an Inogen.
Okay.
The one. Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm doing 1080p 30.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty.
Okay. One last thing is the camera always outputs 1080p 5994.
1080p what? Oh, 5994.
Yeah. In other words, the Canon camera always does. Okay. You want to let Mike know, or?
Yeah, he had to come back from that meeting.
Okay. Well,
And all that, so,
and what he can do is he can watch this video. I'll leave this video up for him. Okay? Okay, thanks. Okay, bye. Goodbye.